Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. If you didn't press in the bell icon, you will not get any kind of notification. That's why you have to subscribe right now. So today I am unboxing the Super BJ TV Box TV3860E. This is a product from Gadmei. You can also see this one. So I'm unboxing this Gadmei. So hoping let's see what is inside. So without any late, let's start to open this TV card. So let's open the box. You can see here is a Gadmei TV card and compatible with LCD and LED monitor, built-in FM radio. You can see here. I think this one is amazing TV card. You can see here is one of the amazing TV card. Here is some menus available, and in this side there is a product name Gadmei, and you can see here is you can input your TV signal through this plug, and here is a VGA cable also, and here is also VGA in, and there is a speaker port also. You can see there is a 2 speaker port, and from here you can set an antenna. Okay, and from here you can give a power. Okay, and inside here, let's open it. You can see here there is a charger available inside here. Okay, and there is a VGA cable also available, and from here you can see there is a remote also available. You can see there is lots options available, and inside there is a manual card. You can see there is a manual. So if you have any kind of confusion, you can see this manual. So inside here you can see there is a there is a visiting card also. Okay, so let's check our TV card into our LCD monitor. It will work or not. So without any late, let's begin. So this side there is a VGA. So I'm inserting this VGA inside my PC monitor. So you can see here is a remote. So I'll insert inside this power. So I'll start to give the power. I'll start to give the power to this my TV card. So let's give the power from here. So you can see here is a red color. So I think this will work or not. I think I should on this one. So now I'm using this one, this VGA cable. So let's start. It will work or not, because before this VGA cable didn't work to this one. So let's hope it will work. So let's start to join. Okay, so let's connect with the VGA. Okay, so let's remove this one also from here, and let's connect it to this side. Now you can see there is a blue screen inside my computer. So hoping it will work. So from here I am using a remote. Now I'll go to in mode. Now you can see there is a TV mode and video mode, FM mode. So I think I should to go in TV mode first of all. So from the menu you can see there is lots of menu available, and from here you can choose lots of options. So in this time I'm using a tuning options. So from here I am searching this one. You can see there is a menu coming inside here. So it's working or not. First of all I'll go to in this menu. Okay, I'll go to tuning. From here I'll make it auto. Okay, it's working. If you have already a TV connection, you can insert from this side also, but I don't have, that's why I'm searching. Maybe the free channel will work in my monitor. So just wait for a moment. I think I should do wait. So I think there is no signal because I don't have an antenna inside this one. See, there is nothing. If I connect an antenna inside here, I think it will work. So let's check the FM. So from here I am choosing FM. So I am choosing the FM mode. Sorry, what's happened to this one? So if I went to in menu, and if I went to in this one, and from here, see, from here also I think I can see, sorry, so I can also choose this one from FM. Now you can see my FM also playing. So you can also use this one feature to this one. So if I start here, so you can also use this feature. So you can see there is a speaker also. So this one is playing. Hoping that you understand. So thank you so much for watching this video.